Hello learners, welcome to 3LOKBABA YouTube channel. My name is Trilok. Today we are going to learn very simple concept and interesting concept in MS Excel. That is how to highlight and remove the duplicate values. The concept is very simple. If you are having a data which is having a duplicate values, how we are going to highlight, and if you want to highlight, what is the option we use? If you want to remove, what is the option we use? The first thing is highlight the duplicate values, which is going to find and highlight it. And second one, how to remove the duplicate values. This option will help you and find the duplicate values and remove it. Let's try to understand with an example. Let's go to Excel. Here we have a simple example to highlight the duplicate values. I have a couple of employee names here. In these employee names, I want to highlight the duplicate values, the names which are same. So how I am going to do it? Steps are very simple. Let's try to understand the steps. The first step is here, select the data, select your data, and then click on Home tab, and then click on Conditional Formatting. Under Conditional Formatting, click on Highlight Cell Rules, and then select Duplicate Values. As soon as you select, just click OK. See, Tarun, Sumaya and Akhil, these three names have been duplicated in this data. This is how to find out the duplicate values. Now, we'll try to understand how to remove the duplicate values. Steps are very simple. See again the same example here. Under this column, I want to remove the duplicate names. So how I am going to do it? Let's see. Simple. The steps are very simple. Select your data and then go to Data tab. Then click on Remove Duplicates. And then click OK. See, you got a pop-up here. 3 duplicate values found and removed. 10 unique value remains. So this is how we have to use these two options to highlight the duplicate values and to remove the duplicate values. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification on latest videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, 3LOKBABA.